In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Browse AI with Zapier so you can automate your workflows and save valuable time. If you've ever wished you could automate your web scraping tasks and make your data even more actionable, this is the perfect guide for you. Stay with me till the end, and I'll also share how you can get an exclusive extended free trial to Browse AI, so make sure you don't miss that. First, let's quickly talk about Browse AI. It's a powerful tool that lets you automate web scraping tasks without needing any coding skills. Whether you're looking to track prices, extract data from websites, or gather leads, Browse AI can do it all. Now, when you integrate Browse AI with Zapier, you unlock even more power because you can set up automated workflows to send data where you need it instantly. No more manual data entry, just set it up, and the system will handle the rest. To get started with the integration, first head over to Browse AI and log in. If you don't have an account yet, check out the link in the description for an exclusive bonus and free trial to start using the software today. Once you're logged in, navigate to the integration section and choose Zapier. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, now's the time to create one. Zapier is a platform that connects all your favorite apps and automates tasks between them. So, by connecting Browse AI to Zapier, you can automate almost anything, sending scraped data to Google Sheets, for example, or pushing it into your CRM system. After logging into Zapier, click on Create a Zap. For the trigger, search for Browse AI and select it. You'll be prompted to connect your Browse AI account to Zapier. This is done by providing your Browse AI API key, which you can find in the settings of your Browse AI account. Copy it, paste it into Zapier, and click Connect. Next, you'll set up the action for what you want to do with the scraped data. For example, let's say you want to send this data into a Google Sheet. Search for Google Sheets in Zapier and choose the action you want, such as creating a new row or updating an existing one. Follow the prompts to link your Google Sheets account with Zapier, and you'll be able to map the data fields from Browse AI into your Google Sheet. The magic here is that you've now automated the whole process. Browse AI scrapes the data, and Zapier sends it wherever you want it to go. This integration is perfect for businesses that want to save time, improve accuracy, and scale without adding additional resources. Now, if you're still wondering why this integration is so powerful, let me break it down. Zapier supports thousands of apps, so once you've connected Browse AI to it, you're not limited to just Google Sheets or CRMs. You could send scraped data to email lists, Slack, or even to a project management tool like Trello or Asana. The possibilities are nearly endless. What makes this process even better is that you can set triggers to run automatically. For example, you can tell Zapier to run this task at specific intervals, or when new data is available in Browse AI. This gives you full control over your automation. So now you're probably wondering, how much is all this going to cost me? Well, you can start using Browse AI completely for free, and with the exclusive offer linked below, you'll even get an extended free trial to take advantage of all the features. So don't hesitate, start automating your web scraping tasks today. In summary, integrating Browse AI with Zapier is a game changer for anyone looking to streamline their web scraping tasks. It's a simple process, and once set up, you'll be able to focus on more important things while the automation handles the data work for you. Don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive extended trial and start using Browse AI today. Make sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.